Just finished my workout session. I had a 4K run for 9, doing it with 10 minutes of slide on easy running, then 2 minutes easy walk as a recharge, and then 10 minutes of easy running again. This is the workout plan I got to get started with running, because I don't have any experience with that in the past, so I haven't got into running at all. So let's see where it goes. Okay, so I have just finished my swimming session, and I head home to start the workday, and let's jump into some meetings today. Yeah, that was a 1K swim. This is my second one actually, because there was a long time I haven't done any physical activities, so I'm pretty happy with every results, which better than the one before. So yeah, let's head home. Oh my god, the swim goggles visible a bit. I'm not that tired. Yeah, so now we have a few kilometers of walk with the dog, and we do some grocery shopping while we are walking around the city. Good boy. So I have found my old GoPro, and now I have reset it, and want to try it again for different type of shots, like underwater, and I have more freedom with it, because it will be durable. It is the GoPro Hero 4, which is today is 9-year-old maybe. I think we have the GoPro 13 released, not sure. Yeah, so exciting stuff, and it seems to be working. I I was able to pair with its own GoPro app, and yeah, it's so fun to have it running. I have the DJI Osmo here to record my unboxing. Pretty good stuff arrived. I needed to get more storage space, sorry, as I'm doing a lot of videos today or nowadays, and I start to run out of storage space already. So I did some research, and this Samsung Portable SSD T7 was on a huge discount, so I have decided to get this. Okay, so we have two type of cables. One is a USB-C to USB-C, and the other one is a USB-A to USB-C. Yeah, it's pretty useful for me. I'm using a MacBook and I'm using a PC, so the USB-A to USB-C was a pretty good idea to include in the box. And okay, that was not the best box opening. And this is the SSD itself. Oh my god, it's so tiny. I have an iPhone 13, and this is the size of it. So it's almost the size as a MagSafe wallet for iPhones. So it's pretty useful. Yeah, so today I will set this up on my MacBook. I believe that Samsung have a dedicated application to get some information about your hard drive, and to do firmware updates and stuff. So we will see what we can do with it. Yeah, so that's it. I will start to use it, and when I have some experience, I am happy to share that in the future. Yeah.